Go ahead. Oh, wow. Gosh. Oh.
Oh, it's gonna hit his car. I'm surprised that wasn't louder.
I thought it was going to take out that tree next to it. Holy cow.
It just like went right in between.
It totally hooked it, huh?
Wow. Timber!
How the heck?
That was crazy. Look at this. You should record this tree, how big this tree is. Your folks are not going to believe this. Look at all this. Look at all the rings. That is so wild. Look at this baby. Look how big it is. What's bubbling?
I just realized look, it's like juice.
Oh, that's the sap. Don't touch that. That's the sap. Oh wow. Oh wow.
I took out another tree.
Yeah, he's got his iPad. Isn't that something? Oh my gosh. How many feet do you think this bad boy is?
What?
How many feet? How
About
tall?
125,
Oh wow.
I think.
Uh-huh.
Because most of them are
Wow. Quiet, Bacon. I'll let you off. This is a big one.
Oh, look, it's great.
Oh, yes, it did. Look at that. It took off the power.
Oh, yeah, look at this side. It scraped both sides.
Did it? Let's check it out.
Look at this right here.
Wow. Oh my gosh, look at it. It's cracked. That's mostly when it hit.
Hey, Cole, can you let the dog loose?
What?
Can you let Bacon go?